Hey, welcome to lesson number 4. The next screen to design should be the dashboard screen. However, first we have to design some very important parts of the screen. Like for example, the navigation bar and the toolbar. The navigation bar is the little bar on every phone that shows the battery charge, the Wi-Fi signal, the phone company, and the time. And the toolbar is that bar where we have all our icons as we showed here on the dashboard layout, where we have like on Instagram, like the home button, the search, the plus, the notifications, and our profile photo. So we need to design these bars first. So create a duplicate of the sign up screen with Ctrl and J, and let's call this dashboard. However, we will remove this and paint this background to white because we will use the dark gray only for these 3 screens. The background of the app will be white. So let's zoom in on this screen and take one of these guidelines and set it all the way to 100 pixels. You can see on the y-axis the 100 pixels. Leave this guideline here, and this will be our navigation bar. Now create a rectangle with the same size, and this rectangle, don't make it black, let's make it light gray, like this. And now we should of course add our battery and our Wi-Fi icons. I have these icons right here. These icons are really easy to make. Let's select the Wi-Fi and place it here. And look what we're going to do. Place our icon here with Ctrl and B. Place it as a smart object. Take your icon and place it here. Sometimes when you paste an object, it goes right in the middle, which is very annoying. Place our icon here. And now let's draw another guideline. This time will be a vertical guideline all the way here. Perfect. And now let's grab our battery icon and place it here also. Make another guideline. And now make sure that these both icons are the same size. To do this, let's grab this Wi-Fi icon and set some guidelines on the top and one on the bottom. And make sure that the battery is the same size. Alright. This is perfect. So of course this is a really simple navigation bar. We are just missing our time. For this, grab the type tool and input some time, I don't know, like 11 p.m. and make it black. Place this on the middle. And now we have our navigation bar, a really simple navigation bar. Of course, you can have here the phone company, you can have the signal, you can have a lot of things, but in this case we're just going to use these little objects because we don't have to make it so realistic. So grab all of these layers and group them with Ctrl and G, and let's call this group navigation bar. Now let's do the same here. Grab an horizontal guideline, but this time let's set this all the way to 2000 pixels. You can see how it looks. Now make a rectangle with the same size, and this rectangle will be again a light gray. Like this. Now we just have to put all our icons here. We have our home icon, we have our search icon, we have our plus icon. We can make sure on Illustrator that everything is on the same size. Of course, this in Illustrator is a lot easier than in Photoshop, so try to make it on Illustrator. Our favorite or notifications icon and our friends list icon. Now make sure they have enough space for each one by selecting them all and going to aligned and set it to horizontal distribute center. Make sure that it's aligned to selection like this. I think we can make it wider, and select all of them, copy them with Ctrl and C and place them here. Make sure they are big enough. Let's make this rectangle a little lighter. Exactly. And you can see that now we have our navigation bar and our toolbar, which will be very useful to have because it has all the home section, the search icon, if we want to post anything, we click on the plus icon, our notifications, and our friends list. So now that we have these bars, let's select them both and let's make a group and call this toolbar. Now that we have these two bars, it's time to create our dashboard screen. But that will be on the next lesson, so wait for it.